In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Goaffpro for Shopify. To begin, open your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are inside your store admin, look to the lower area of the left-hand menu and click on Settings. This is where Shopify keeps many of the controls for your store, including app-related options. After that, find and click Apps. This will take you to the section where you can manage the tools connected to your Shopify store. From there, choose the option to open the Shopify App Store. This is where you can browse and install apps that add new features to your store. In the Shopify App Store search bar, type Goaffpro for affiliate marketing. When the app appears in the results, click on it to open the app listing page. Take a moment to confirm that you are selecting the correct app so you can continue without confusion. Next, click Install App. Shopify may ask you to confirm the installation one more time. Go ahead and click Install again so the app can connect properly and sync your store data. This part is important because it allows Goaffpro to work with your Shopify store and pull in the information it needs. Once the installation is complete, follow the on-screen prompts to create your account and open the Goaffpro dashboard. The setup process is usually straightforward, and the prompts will guide you through the basics needed to get started. When you are inside the Goaffpro dashboard, navigate to the Look and Feel section, and then open Landing Page. This area controls the page your affiliates will see when they sign up for your program. Here you can customize the sign-up page so it matches your brand. You can update the page design, add your brand logo, adjust the text, and change the background. This is a good time to make sure the page looks clean and professional, since it will help create a better first impression for potential affiliates. After you finish customizing the page, locate the default registration link. Copy that link because this is the one you will share with people who want to join your affiliate program. You can send it wherever you promote your affiliate opportunity so interested users can register easily. That covers everything you need to know.